Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Vega helmet glass easily. First, make sure you have your new visor ready along with a soft, clean cloth. Place your helmet on a flat, stable surface to prevent it from moving during the process. Take a moment to locate the pivot mechanisms on each side of your helmet. These are the key points for removal and installation. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick visor change. Now, let's remove the old visor. Begin by opening your current visor all the way up until it's in the fully raised position. Next, you'll find a small release button or lever on the pivot mechanism, usually near the base. Press this firmly and, while holding it, gently pull the visor outwards from that side of the helmet. Repeat this exact step on the other side to completely detach the old visor. With the old visor off, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new visor's attachment points with the helmet's pivot mechanisms. Make sure the tabs or slots match up perfectly. Once aligned, push the visor firmly into place on one side until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked. Do the same for the other side, ensuring both are securely fastened. To finish up, perform a few final checks. Open and close your new visor several times to ensure it moves smoothly and locks securely in both the open and closed positions. Also, carefully inspect the seal around the visor for any gaps or loose connections that could let in wind or water. A proper seal is crucial for comfort and safety. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed helmet and clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.